Welcome in this reunion the Group 3, conformed by Angelica Ibargüen, Maria Mendez, Natalia Rodriguez, Andrés Salcedo, and myself, Ariana Navarrete, of the course International Business Management. We will develop the practical component of phase 4. With this example, the purpose is a lab used to generate the exploration of the strategic management simulator Business 21. Handling the company USAGlobal are recognized R&D, production, HR, financial to marketing. Also, as a company is focused only on the USA and Canada market, as its name indicates, and does not participate in other countries, being a limiting factor to diversification. In spite of this, sales of 47,658 and a brand value of 49.6 are indicated, which requires current investment and implementation of adequate training objectives to deal with the problems shown in the past month that are related to the lack of reaction to market conditions, such as inflation, change in demand, and organizational capacity, where there are differences and variation in operational efficiency. Finally, our factories are of high fidelity and the company is positioned in a third place in terms of unit sales, and uh, we also recognize a modest progress from 2022 to 2023, but with the decision made, it shows how essential it is to analyze your environment and review indicators for improvement of an informative item. I would like to comment that for the competitive environment, we have purchased several demands for two territories that are provided in the process of internationalization and diversification, expanding contrast and generation a key point to manage the strategies that my partners explained to you.
Strategic decision. Add value to decision taking in the areas of industry promotion, innovation, and technology. Decision to incorporate new low fidelity factory in Mexico. Decision to enter China and Russia and no euro makers. USA Global gives the opportunity to compete and expanding in the market with the acquisition to factories as with the analysis of the two products of its technology sector of quality samples is various geographic areas with a focus on competitive innovation because you other things are appropriate. We will say one in a perspective improving in is an organizing factor. With this decision, the 2024 period demonstrates that is a company with great participation, is new value in screen and even its brand disclosure shows and the team market is satisfied the is continuous improving. The value of a company according to historical decision making is process. With promotion, innovation and technology, and decisions what is consolid and April 30, when this allow the company to advance and emerge with strategy.
Prices and promotes. In this slide, we see how USA Global sets competitive prices to enter new markets like China and Russia. Prices are below the benchmarks to attract customers. The company also increased promotions to support this strategy. China and Russia and non-Europe. Here we compare USA Global's prices with other companies. Their prices are accessibly gives help them gain market share. We also see the immune south in its region and the brands growing notably in 2024. Innovation. This slide shows investment in product innovation and factory development. After the decision, we see improvements in analysis and technology levels. Innovation helps the company stay competitive and realize.
Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about USAGlobal's production strategy and its impact. We focus on balancing high-end and low-end products to cover different market needs. This allows us to stay competitive while managing costs efficiently. Our company had 3 factories, which gave us a clear advantage over others with only 2. This helped increase our production capacity and better meet international demand, especially after expanding to Mexico and China. The simulator charts confirm this improvement by showing higher output levels and better performance indicators. Regarding training and financing, we gave employee training the highest priority. This improved performance across departments and support our innovation goals. In financing, we analyze results from 3 periods. We took a loan to support our growth, but also focus on increasing net value through smart investments and cost control. Both decisions were essential to strengthen the company and make it more competitive globally.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Andres Salcedo, and I am going to continue the presentation. USA Global Final Situation in Euro for the period 2022 and 2024, including balance sheet and rating the credit solution. In 2024, total assessment rate at 75.5 million, included 20 million in equity. The news con is 21.9 million and debit comprise a lot of 45.8 million and short term of 2.5 million probability and debit radio and compared with 2 of comparison. USA Global achieved to return revenue at 27.9%. And debit odds 0.8% of asset. The graph shows favorable trend in expansion and financial cost management and well the future possibility. Between 2022 and 2024, we have the company managing a healthy level and debit with math small increase in 2024 to 0.8 plan occupation and 88.8 in 2024. Showing to the AR operation exactly inventory and conversion to the selling price and the fall to 5.1 percentage in 2024 and 2023, and now stand at 4.5 point. The indicator showed that USA Global is well positioned and it has a promising future. Thank you for joining in the analysis of USA Global. Bye.